Since the first living thing gazed upward through the darkness, man has seldom been content merely to be born, to endure, and to die. With a curious fervor, he has struggled to unlock the mysteries of creation and of the world in which he lives. Sometimes he has won, sometimes he has lost, and sometimes, in the tumbling torrents of space and time, he has brief glimpses of a world he never even dreamed.
I ain't scared of you motherfuckers.
Do you know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear.
I love it. I'm gonna tell you something.
You know, it's an interesting thing when you consider people who can think are so frightened by those who cannot.